Alright folks, so for a quick update here, I've opened the system to inspect it, and as you can see, the system was either very well taken care of or the seller cleaned it very properly. Everything is in a pristine condition. There is no damage, no dust anywhere. Right, so if you look here, our noisy friend is under these styrofoam brackets, and it's quite cool because back in the day when these hard drives were new, that would mean the workstation was very quiet. You have here space for the floppy disk actually, and there is none installed. And I'm gonna have a quick look on the power supply to see if there is nothing about to break. So the speaker looks like this. It's a transparent plastic drive with the cables here, and I'm not sure you can see it, but it's made in the USA, and for something like this I'm not sure you're ever gonna see a factory of computer speakers like this anymore. It was very easy to take off. You just have to lift it from here, and the cable is routed here underneath the power cable, the SCSI cable, and it's connected back here. Removing the power supply cover is very easy. You just have to push this tiny pin here and lift it, yeah? So I had a quick look, and the capacitors are all in a good shape. There's not so many of them. If there's ever a problem, they seem to be easy to replace, like nothing is too crowded here. The power supply was made by Sony in Japan, and most of the components seem to come from Singapore. The fan seems to be standard. At some point I'll measure the voltage, if I cannot see the specification of course, and probably replace it with a Noctua. This here seems to be quite a bit stiff, but let's see how loud it is after I replace the hard drive with a SCSI to SD. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.